Welcome to our tutorial on utilizing SafeFood Pro sensors to monitor and export your food safety data efficiently. In this video, we'll guide you through accessing sensor readings, understanding key data points, and exporting information for comprehensive reporting. If you use SafeFood Pro sensors, you'll see a Sensor tab at the top of your dashboard. Click on this tab to gain insights into the status of your site sensors and their readings. Scrolling down, you'll find a graph displaying the sensor readings themselves. Let's go through the key columns. First, you'll see the equipment and sensor ID columns, which indicate which piece of equipment each sensor is assigned to. Next, the hub ID column shows which hub your sensor is sending readings to. The last reading column displays the date and time when SafeFood Pro last received a reading from your sensor. If the reading isn't within half an hour of the current time, it may mean your sensor isn't connected to the hub or has a low battery. Which leads us into the voltage column, which provides an indication of your sensor's battery level. Each sensor uses a 3.6 volt battery and remains functional until the voltage drops below roughly 3.4 volts. At that point, you should consider getting some new sensor batteries from the links below. The last temperature column tells you the last temperature reading received from the sensor. And finally, the signal strength column, measured in decibel milliwatts or dBm, indicates the strength of the signal. This usually tells you how far your sensor is from the hub. The higher the number, the better the signal strength. But remember, these are negative numbers or integers. For example, negative 50 dBm is a stronger signal than negative 100 dBm. So if your sensor shows a weaker signal strength, around negative 100 dBm, we recommend moving the sensor closer to the hub or checking for obstructions. The closer the sensor is to the hub, the less battery power the sensor will use to send their readings, extending the sensor's lifespan. Now, you can't export your readings directly from the dashboard. The best place to do this is the sensor data page. Just head to Reports, then select Sensor Data. Here, you can view your sensor data within your specified timeframe, and then to export all the sensor data into a graph, click the printer icon. You can also click on an individual sensor to export the data specific to that sensor, and then use the export button to save the data as a CSV file. Now, if you encounter any issues or need help troubleshooting sensor problems, please contact us at support@safefoodpro.com.